To adjust the game booster settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open a settings on our phone, scroll down, looking for the advanced features. Now if we enter that, we can scroll down to enter game booster settings, and then you can see all of the settings. First thing is game optimization, that you can switch between performance mode, balanced mode, or battery saver mode. Then there's the customizations for individual games. If you select that, then you will see a list of different games that you have on your phone, and you'll be able to customize settings especially for them. And I don't have any games, so that's why they don't pop up. Next is gaming motion smoothness. It will basically change refresh rate and apply it to your games, and you can go for 120 Hz or 60 Hz. Then we have the in-game panel. You can manage quick action button, what it will do. Enable touch protection, navigation button change navigation button location, make a screenshot, or record, start video recording, or assign none of the actions. Where to access the in-game panel, and if you click on that, you can use the shortcut bar or navigation bar button. Then there's reorder tools, and you can switch which tools will be available in that panel. Next is edit pop-up apps, and you can change which apps will be able to pop up during that mode. We can manage touch protection and auto touch protection, that you can switch between 15 seconds up to 10 minutes or never. There's a save power during touch protection that you can activate or deactivate. Adjust the screenshot resolution to 100%, 50% or 25%, and also change the screenshot format between JPEG or HEIF. And there's also notifications that you can manage for the game booster itself. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.